Stability AI has surprised everyone by releasing the open weights for this new Stable Diffusion 3 Medium model on Hugging Face. The quality of model from the model card is amazing. In this video, we will be installing this Stable Diffusion 3 Medium locally, and then we will also generate an image from text prompt. For this, you would need to sign up on Hugging Face and log in with your account and accept the Stable Diffusion 3 Medium's terms and conditions, and then you should be able to download the model. Before I install it locally and show you how to do that, let me give a huge shout out to Mass Compute who are sponsoring the GPU and the VM which I'm using for this video. If you also want to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a discount coupon of 50% discount that will give you quite a huge discount on an already affordable offering. Okay, another thing I wanted to tell you that you would need a tool ComfyUI in order to get this Stable Diffusion model installed on your local system. I already have done a video as how to install the ComfyUI on your system just shortly before this video, so you can just search on my channel. I will also drop the link to it in video's description. So make sure that you go to first this video, how to install ComfyUI, and install ComfyUI on your operating system, whether it is Windows, Linux, or Mac OS or whatever. Okay, so that's out of the way. This new model, Stable Diffusion 3, outperforms state-of-the-art text-to-image generation systems such as DALL-E 3, Midjourney, Ideogram in typography and prompt adherence based on human preferences evaluations. The cool thing about this new multimodal model is that it is a MMDiT architecture, which means multimodal diffusion transformer architecture that uses separate sets of weights for image and language representation that improves text understanding and spelling capabilities compared to previous versions of Stable Diffusion. Also, if you don't know what exactly is meant by a diffusion model, a diffusion model is a type of model that uses a process called as diffusion based image synthesis to generate new images. It works by iteratively refining a random noise vector until it converges to a specific image, similar to how a diffusion process spreads particles in a medium. But I'm not going to go into further detail. Let's get right into it, and then we will be installing this model on our local system. First up, as I mentioned earlier, go to Hugging Face website and then sign up and log in with your email address. Once you are there, this is the model card. Go to files here, and from here you would need to download few of the files. As you can see here, we have few tensors which we need to download. First up, we need to download this file, SD3 Medium safe tensor. So click on download button here, and you see it has started downloading. Let it download. It is the size is around 4 GB. Meanwhile it is downloading, go to in this folder text encoders. From here you need to download 3 files, this clip G safe tensor, clip L safe tensor, and then T5 FP16. So let me also download these. Just click here, and it is going to start downloading. And then also clip L here, and then also this FP16. Let's wait for these to get downloaded. And this is my folder where it is downloading at the moment in the downloads one. My files are almost downloaded. As you can see here, if you click on this downward arrow, you will see that all the files are loaded here. And let me also download one more workflow file. So just go back to this Stable Diffusion 3 Medium, go to Comfy example workflows, and then I'm just going to download the base one. This is primarily the basic inference one, so I'm just going to download this, a very small file. That is done. Let me open everything here. So you see you would need all of these files, so 1 2 3 4 5. So make sure you have downloaded all these 5 files. And now we need to copy these files into their respective folders. First, grab this clip L, clip G, and then T5 FP16 files. Simply copy them or cut them from here. Go to where your ComfyUI is installed on your local system. In my Ubuntu system, it is in the home directory of Ubuntu. in ComfyUI directory. So I'm just going into the home here and then click on ComfyUI, go to models directory, go to clip directory. And in this clip directory, simply paste those 3 files. Let's wait for them. All 3 files are copied here. Then go back to your models folder. Now make sure that you have checkpoints folder here at the top, you see. So go back to where you downloaded your files and grab your save tensors file, which is SD3 Medium dot save tensors. Grab this file, go back to your home, then your ComfyUI folder, and then from here make sure that you have this models folder. In the models folder, go to checkpoints. In checkpoints, you can simply paste your checkpoint which we have just copied. If you want, you can segregate them in different folders, but let's put it over there for now. And now open your terminal, go to your base folder of ComfyUI, and then from there simply run this python 3 main.py, and it is going to start ComfyUI on your local system. As you can see, now it is running on localhost at port 8188. Let me open my browser and access that URL quickly in the localhost. And that is now open in my browser. As you can see, running on localhost, this ComfyUI on the very left hand side load the checkpoint by clicking here and then clicking on SD3 Medium Safe Tensor. This is our SD model. And then you can just select whatever prompt you like from here, and you see that we have also encoder here already selected. You can select different sort of latent image properties or case sampler. Once you are satisfied with your prompt, simply click on this Q prompt at the top right. Okay, so it has given us an error. Let's quickly check what happened there. Okay, I have to admit that I am blind. So what I did was, the error was that I forgot to load the JSON file for the workflow which we downloaded. For that, all you need to do is to just click on this load from the right and then just select this basic workflow JSON which we downloaded from their Hugging Face page. Once you done that, you will be presented with this screen. Now, this is pretty big workflow. So I'm just going to zoom it in. You see at the top, we already have this SD3 Medium, and then we have these clips which we have downloaded, and then it has automatically put our the default prompt. You can change it as you like, and then leave rest of it as is. You don't have to change anything with this workflow if you have pasted the files. And then here you can just simply click on Q prompt. And once you click there, you would just have to wait for a bit, and then it is going to generate your preview image. So let's wait. And there you go. You see that it has generated this case sampler, and then it has generated this awesome image with the help of this SD3 Medium model from Stability AI. So make sure that you place the files in their respective folders, and then you load that base JSON here, and then only it is going to generate the image for you. And now let's try out different prompts here. So in the first one, I know it's a bit patchy. Let me try to make it bigger. In the first one, I'm asking it a glamorous digital magazine photo shoot. A fashionable model wearing avant-garde clothing set in a futuristic cyberpunk rooftop environment with a neon lit city background, intricate high fashion detail. So I have already run it, so let's see what it has produced. There you go. Just going to make it smaller. So there you go. Amazing image here. Okay, let's try out another one. I am going to just clear this and paste another one. So in this one, I'm asking it freshly made hot floral tea in glass kettle on the table, angled shot, midday warm, Nikon, and then the camera name close up. Let's see what it does. I'm just going to click on Q prompt. As soon as you click on Q prompt, you see how quick that is locally running on that NVIDIA's one. So here, and there you go. Look at the vivid image it has generated. Amazing stuff. Okay, in the next one, I'm just going to use another one, and then I'm just going to replace it with, I'm saying it here, haunted house, pixel art, low resolution, blocky pixel art style, 8-bit graphics, colorful. Let me run it and then see what it creates. And this is the beauty of running it locally, how quick that is coming. Just wait for it. Wow, beautiful. Amazing. So it's a block art and a haunted house. Okay, as it is winter here in Sydney, let's try out some autumn colors. In this one, I'm simply asking it to do autumn forest colors, landscape, psychedelic style. Let's see if it is able to do the psychedelic style. Yes, it is. Let's see. How amazing, how vivid and vibrant. Amazing, amazing stuff. Beautiful. I could play with it the whole day, but I'm going to give you a last one and then we will call it a day. Let me replace it here. So I'm calling it a surreal landscape with rolling hills, glowing mushrooms, and a bright crescent moon. So let me click here, and then you see how quick that is. And let's wait for it. There you go. Amazing stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and it was useful, and now you'd be able to install it. If you face any issues, let me know in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.